Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano man, no, ang ating makikita, yun ang ating babasahin. No sugar coating. Oo. And, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin kung may tanong kayo dito sa ating mga items. Okay, so ating items is ito. Lahat. Oo, yung ating mga protection from evil eye. So meron tayong ring and meron tayong bracelets. Okay, so ito yung mga bracelets natin na evil eye protection. Okay, and ito pa yung ating necklace. So si necklace ay unisex. And syempre pagdating sa love, sa connection, yung mga conflict na yan, so siya yung pwede. Okay, and syempre itong ating ito ay nalilimutan kong sabihin. Oo. Pagdating dito sa love bracelet natin, meron siyang citrine. Okay? Meron siyang citrine stone. Citrine. Alam nyo po ba yung citrine? Oo. So, yung citrine is sabihin nating money magnet. Okay? So, meron ka ng love, meron ka pang money dito sa ating bracelet na to. So, 'di ba? Best of both worlds. So nalilimutan ko siyang sabihin. Oo nga pala. Yes. Oo. Shadow tayo nakafocus sa love. So this is magnet pagdating sa love and pagdating sa money. Okay? So kung wala pa yung love, so pwedeng money yung magnet. Kung wala yung pera, so pwedeng love. So pwedeng sabay, parang ganyan. Okay? And si granter. So, si granter necklace, siya yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. This is unisex, by the way. Okay, anyway, dito pala. Kung ikaw is lalaki at gusto mo nito, yan, ito si love bracelet, oo. Pwede mo naman siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Sa red pouch, oo. And, syempre, yung ating cord cut. So, si cord cut is pagkakat, ng ating mga hindi na naman kailangang energy na nakakapit pa sa'yo. Bakit pa kasi nakakapit pa rin hanggang ngayon? Dapat wala na. So, yun ang ating mga alisin. Okay, so, let's see what's for you. Let's start the reading. Air signs. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua, what's for you? Air signs. Itong card na to, hindi to bago. Actually, ito yung cards ko noong unang-una. Oo, nagsisimula pa lang ako dito sa YouTube. Oo, dito sa, pagdi-read. Okay, ito sila yung mga unang-unang batch, di ba? Oo, share ko lang. So, ano bang meron? Two of Swords. Ace of Pentacles in reversed. So, patungkol sa pera to, ha? Some of you, you're avoiding new beginnings. New beginnings pagdating sa buhay mo. New opportunities pagdating sa buhay mo. Meron ditong blockages. I don't know kung ano to. Let's see. What's with this Two of Swords? Maybe sa pagdedesisyon. Okay? Pwedeng maling desisyon. Parang ganyan. Ano tong Two of Swords? Na pwedeng humaharang sa mas maganda pang pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. What's with this Two of Swords? Kunin ko to. The World. Some of you, this is sabihin nating acceptance, no? Pagdating sa mga situation. Hindi ko alam kung paano mo i-fit, pero may meaning to. Okay? So, some of you, you have to let go of something from the past. Letting go of old cycles. Okay? Letting go of old energies para mabuksan yung door for new opportunities. Okay? So, the Seven of Cups. You're too focused pagdating sa isang bagay rin. So, you have to avoid focusing. Parang doon na lang yung doon na lang yung lahat ng focus mo. Parang nawawala na ng silbi yung mga parang dumarating pa. Parang ganyan eh. Okay, magkaroon ka ng sabi nating malawak na pagtingin, pagdating sa mga blessings na dumarating or sa mga opportunities na dumarating. Okay? So, nandoon yung energy na parang natatrap or parang sabihin nating nagkakaroon ng bara, no? Parang ganyan. So, anyway, what else for you air signs? So, siguro, old habits. Parang ganyan. Old habits. Okay? So, yeah, Eight of Cups in reverse. What's with this? Queen of Cups. Five of Wands. Somebody wants to pursue you. Okay? Somebody. But you're still holding on sa past. Some of you. Water sign could be. Just be open emotionally. Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong gustong makuha yung attention mo. Yun nga lang. Still stuck ka sa past. Some of you. Yeah. The Nine of Swords universe. Na dapat hindi mo na masyadong pinagbibigyan oras, panahon, effort. Okay? The Devil. Yung interesado sa'yo, somebody, younger. Could be nasa workplace or sa kung saan man ikaw palaging napunta, like, everyday siguro or madalas kang pumunta sa isang lugar na yun. Nandun yung somebody na pwedeng into you. Okay? So, what else? Okay, Three of Pentacles in reverse. The King of Swords. Re-evaluation. Some of you, pwedeng kakausapin ka ng HR, kakausapin ka ng boss mo, leader. Okay? Ano tong Three of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Ten of Swords. Tungkol sa isang issue. Kukunin yung panig mo, kukunin yung opinion mo. The Magician in reverse. Huwag kang matatakot na maging totoo. Huwag kang matatakot na sabihin kung anong dapat. Okay? Yeah. Merong sabihin nating mga walang wentang energy, no, na idinadamay ka. So, akala nila hindi ka magsasalita. That's specific. So, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay, so what else? Okay, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's for our fire signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow yung ating second YouTube channel na love letter na nasa description box below. I'm sorry. Okay. So, what's for our fire signs? The Hanged Man in reverse. Taking action. Sa lahat ng mga pinaplano. The Six of Wands in reverse. Kaiinggitan ka. Kaiinggitan ka. Be careful. Yeah. Seven of Swords. Be careful. The Five of Wands. May posibilidad na kainggitan ka, fire signs. Sa mga gagawin mong aksyon, sa mga gagawin mo, like in general, kung ano mga i-execute mo, sisimulan mo, nandun yung gagayahin ka, nandun yung maiinggit sila. Hindi ko alam bakit. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. So, some of you, yeah, the Eight of Pentacles, the Empress. So, maybe, they see you na pwedeng ikaw talaga yung marunong. Okay? Itong mga to, parang wala na silang choice or parang wala na silang way. Kundi gumaya na lang. Yeah. Decision. Parang decision mo makikigaya na lang kami. Parang ganon. Okay? Okay. There's still somebody's progress. Ang pwedeng sabihin nating gagatas na lang. Parang ganyan. Makikisabay na lang sa agos ng sabihin nating success nung isa. Parang mahihigit. Parang ganun. So, unfair. Kung ano man yun. Kung may pag-asa na umangat ka at parang mahihila lang yung mga nasa paligid mo, di ba ang unfair? I don't know. Kung gusto nila na parang mag-improve din, then gawan mo sila or bigyan mo rin sila ng part. I don't know kung ano to. So what else? Fire signs. Ace of Wands in reversed. Two of Cups in reversed. Falling apart. Falling out of love. So, nagkakaroon ng tension because of a third party. Oh my. Somebody's moving on. Some of you. Yeah, the Star in reverse. So, may nangyayaring fallout. May nangyayaring, nawawala na yung love because pwedeng napupunta na sa iba yung emosyon or yung attention. Okay? Some of them kasi, gawain na niya talaga to. Kung sino man to. Wala na ako nakikita sa kanyang pwede pang baguhin. Kasi sarili niya na to. Parang doon na siya nasanay. Ten of Wands. King of Swords. Meron ditong uuwi na may magandang balita. Some of you, this is like a balita na. Like a balita. Regarding promotion. Hoy, na-promote ako. May magandang balitang dala. Oo, the Chariot. Okay? May magandang balitang dala. Knight of Wands. Okay. What's with this Ten of Wands? Yeah. The Three of Cups. Energy ng success or victory. Okay. Judgment. Four of Wands. Talking about stability, progress, long-term connection, or long-term in general. Somebody, meron ditong chance na meron na mag-iisip na i-upgrade or i-level up yung isang situation, whether it's sa work, or sa business, or sa relationship. Okay? Yeah. So, there. Nice. May magsasabi na ng sagot, may magsasabi na ng desisyon. May magbibigay ng desisyon. So, next. Okay, ba't nauna? So, unahin natin si water signs. Okay, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? Okay. So, let's see. Water signs. Okay. Queen of Cups in reversed. Death in reversed. This is a gabay na dapat daw meron ka ng binabago. Oo. Pagbabago, pagiging open siguro. May na hindi ko alam, this is channeled. Meron ako nakikita. Ano yung maliit na isda? Parang dulong, hindi ko alam. Sinarapan. Yun ba ang tawag sa iba? Kasi dito dulong yung tawag. Oo, yung sinasala. Hindi ko alam anong meron doon. Anyway. So, the Queen of Cups in reverse, Death in reverse. Paulit-ulit to, mga water signs. Paulit-ulit na siguro na parang nagagamit ka. Emotionally. Nagagamit yung emosyon mo, no? So, anong meron? So, siguro sa pagiging babait mo siguro, or sa pagiging welcoming na vibes na meron ka, I don't know. If you're the one who is so unconditional, o pagdating sa pagbibigay ng emosyon or love. Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. This is the right time na maging strong. Huwag matakot. Humindi, if ever. Yeah, the Three of Swords. Kasi, sometimes ito yung magsasalba sa'yo. Ito yung magsasalba sa'yo. Yes. Sa damage na pwede mong abutin. So, what else? Water signs. Again, the Three of Swords in reverse. That's healing. Some of you, that's healing. Three of Swords in reverse and the Page of Cups. Somebody wants to say they're sorry. Somebody wants to apologize. Who is this? Who is this Page of Cups? Who are they? Could be a water sign like you. Or pwedeng ikaw to, na kailangan mo ng merong i-forgive. Something like that. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Somebody wants to message you. This is clarity. Some of you, this is closure. Okay, going back sa sarili. Parang yun ang nakukuha ko. Yeah. Healing. Star. Some of you, if you have to forgive somebody, you don't need to hear it from them. Okay? Some of you, may chance na may mababasa or may magsasend sa'yo ng message like they're sorry. They want to say sorry. They want your forgiveness. Parang ganyan. I'm seeing din na meron ditong new connection or sabihin nating a new connection, no? Love connection. Could be online. It could be online. What else? Water signs. The Five of Cups. Okay, manghinayang sa mga nawala. Manghinayang kayo sa mga sitwasyon na parang napapabayaan. Kakahinayang mo sa mga nawala naman na. At sa mga hindi naman dapat. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. Imbis na yun na lang yung masasayang, baka may mas masayang pa. Baka may mas, sabi nating magkaroon pa ng mas malakihan na damage. Okay? Some of you, sinasabi dito na hindi mo daw kailangan mag-focus sa mga hindi naging okay. Hindi mo kailangan mag-focus sa failure. Okay? Kasi dapat laging merong ibang plano. Okay? So, kung nagkaroon ng failure, gawing lesson para if ever mangyari man ulit, alam mo na kung paano mo sasagutan, lulusutan if ever kung mangyari man ulit. No? So, hindi siya lang failure lang. Okay? Yeah, the World. Some of you, I'm hearing, visa. Travel visa. Migration for some of you. Meron na kayong mga kailangang itapon. Hindi ko lang po ano. Okay? Para mapaltan. In general. Some of you, I'm hearing redecorating or renovation pagdating sa bahay. So, yeah. medyo busy. Ang nakikita ko sa iba sa inyo, no? So, okay, next. Earth signs. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, what is for you? Ooh, the Wheel of Fortune nag-flip for you, Earth signs. So, what is for our Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What's for you? Unang-una. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles in the reversed. Why? Some of you, meron kayong bibilihin. And yeah, this is pricey. Okay, may paglalaanan ng pera yung iba sa inyo. What's with this Ace of Pentacles in reverse? Okay. Nakita ko si Three of Swords. The Five of Wands. Kailangan ba talaga to? Kailangan ba talaga? Some of you, this is for your health. Pwede kasing gagastos ka para sa health mo. Anyway, it's this Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Oh, babalik rin naman actually. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody needs your help, like financially. They need you. Yeah, the Ace of Swords, merong magsasabi na they need your support financially. Magle-lend ka ba? Some of you, meron kayong kailangang bayaran rin. That's with this Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Page of Cups in reverse. Oh, some of you, this is a connection. Somebody is into you. They have a crush on you. The Lovers is here in reversed. Yeah, the Hierophant. I think, kung sino man to, they're really into you. Gusto ng taong to, palagi kang nakakasama. They really need you actually. Could be a water sign or earth sign. Some of you, ayaw mo. Oo, they're like acting immature. Pero yeah, they really, really want to be with you. Anyway. You're acting avoidant, some of you. Anyway, so what else? What else? Somebody is wanting a new beginning, wanting another chance. Wanting a new beginning, yeah. Earth signs, what else? The Queen of Pentacles. The Magician. You're the magnet. Or sabihin natin, you're the genie. Earth signs, you are a genie. Ikaw yung palagi na lang nagpo-provide. Para kang backbone. Three of Cups. Some of you, if you're manifesting good health, yeah, it's coming. Manifesting good health. Okay? Manifesting pregnancy. Yeah, I'm hearing pregnancy here. Seven of Swords. Okay. I don't want this Seven of Swords to be here. What's with this Seven of Swords? Meron dyan. Page of Wands. Be careful with unsafe sex if you're not ready. Okay, there could be pregnancy. some of you, there's this somebody na pwedeng, pwedeng nakikipag-sex kung kani-kanino. I don't know. Bakit kailangan mong malaman niya? The Nine of Wands is here, so maybe you have to protect. Okay? You have to protect yourself from them if you're open. Okay? Pagdating sa kanila. Some of your signs, there's this really a younger energy who's really into you. They like you, really, really, really like you. Could be 2. Pinakamababa na yung 2. Na may nagkakagusto sa'yo. I don't know. Kasi yung energy, they find you somebody na pwedeng this person finds you na ikaw yung parang nakakaintindi sa kanila. Open. Okay? Like, available. Present. Provider. Parang ganon yung energy. Yeah. I don't know. So, what else? Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, the Ace of Wands. This is excitement. Excitement. Some of you, that's travel. You will be traveling. Some of you. What's with this Ace of Wands? The Ace of, the Three of Cups in reverse. Meron ako dito nakikita ng energy ng connection na parang sex base. Six of Cups. Sex base. Ano tong Three of Cups na to na naka-reversed? There's this friend na kilala mo. Sabihin natin they like you. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yung iba, may chance na parang this is like a secret affair. Could be in the workplace. Meron din ditong mga nananabutahe sa'yo. Sa totoo lang. May mga nananabutahe dito. Pwedeng mga kakilala mo pa. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Swords. So, this is energy of evil eyeing. Okay, may nag-i-evil eye sa'yo, Earth signs. Protect your energy. Protect your energy. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune is here in reversed. Protect your energy. You're in their head. This is attachments. Okay. So, King of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Some of you, ikaw itong may mga gustong simulan. Okay? Gustong gawa ng aksyon. Yun nga lang, sabotahe ang nakikita ko rito. Pananabutahe. Okay? Huwag mong sasabihin lahat kung ano man yung mga plano mo. Okay? Hayaan mo sila mag-isip kung anong next action mo, kung anong next na pwede mong gawin. Okay? So, if you need to cut this off, itong mga sitwasyon na to na hindi okay, friends, if ever, then cut them off. Yeah. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Here. Hanapin nyo lang description box. So, love letter. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.